Welcome back to another Gemini Dent repair video. Here's some of the equipment that I use. Here's my glue gun and my tab all set up, ready to rock. This is one of those dents that can be really challenging. There's a lot of body lines in that little area. So we get the panel all prepped up with alcohol, get your glue gun loaded, heat the panel, flash the tab, put some Solar Blitz on there. The absolute best glue on the market is Solar Blitz. If you don't have some, get some now. Now we're pulling the panel. You see those lines start to come out. Okay, now we got some tension on there. We're gonna work down some of the crowns on the outside of the dent. Try and get all those lines back into place, work the metal back down. It's always a good idea to try and work some of the metal while it's under tension. Now look, we just got that little tiny dent sitting right on that first body line there. So now I'm just working some more crowns down, moving some more metal, trying to get it all nice and straight. Now we're busting out some of the smaller tabs just to work out some of the fine details before we get ready for filler here. Here's a quick check tip. You use a silicone mat to squirt out some of your hot glue to get it ready. It will peel right off that silicone kitchen mat. So yeah, that's a free one for you.